Hey, it's Joe. I've got a few students who are doing this, and I have a lot of people that ask me about it. You know, how can I go around and travel the world and see everything and do whatever I want and still have a real estate business back at home? So I'm out somewhere in Paris, or I'm going checking out Rome, or I'm going off to India and you know to sit in and meditate but I have 4 hours a day that I could spend on the internet in any of these locations. How can I make money doing that? And the reason that I designed the Automarketer was so that we could do this remotely, so that anybody could do this remotely. So if you're, as long as you have internet access, so if you're on the moon and you have internet access, you could do this system from the moon. And the way that you would set it up is you would have the system send out your texts automatically for you. And once you set that up, it does it for you every day. You don't even have to go back in and do it. It's done for you every day, and leads just come in on a regular basis every day. A few of them will come in every day, and then you can call those people. And of course, if you're out of the country, you don't want to pay long distance charges. So what you can do instead is use the Automarketer phone system that allows you to call from your desktop. So you can have your laptop in front of you and that you're carrying around with you on your trips, and you can dial that person in the Automarketer. It will ring from a phone number that you pick from the Automarketer. So instead of looking like you're from out of the country, it looks like you're right there in town. So if I wanted to call Indianapolis, I'd get a 317 area code phone number inside the Automarketer, call from that number, and whoever picks up the phone on the other end will see that I'm calling from 317. So it'll make me look like I'm local. And most people will never ask if they see that you're calling from a local number. And if they do, be honest with them. Tell them that you're out of the country, but you've got you got boots on the ground to do this for you. And that's the next thing we do. We'll get boots on the ground who can actually go to the house, put a sign in the yard, put a lockbox on the door, and take pictures for us, and sometimes show the property. Not always. We try to avoid that and do that remotely as well. We also, I typically would encourage you to have an admin person to help you manage some of your leads and manage your boots on the ground, and then eventually a seller finder, someone who's going to be talking to your sellers as they're coming in. So if you'll build your business and you'll systematize it the way that I'm teaching, using outsourcing, using automation, you can do this business anywhere in just a few hours a day. The problem is it takes a while to learn how to do it. I tell my mentor students, give yourself 3 or 4 months before you can expect to make any money. And that's mainly because you have to learn how to make an offer, that's credible, believable, and actually serves the person that you're doing it for. It actually serves and solves their problem. And if you'll learn that technique and take the time to do that, then you'll make money, and it'll become much easier to do. The next deal is not going to take you 3 or 4 months. The next deal is going to take you a few weeks. And the next one after that, and after that, and after that. Because once you understand how to do this, it becomes much, much easier. Anyway, I hope that answers the question.